What is the usual term for the process of transferring thermal energy, even when a body is cooling? A. Heating. B. Freezing. C. Condensing. D. Evaporating. The correct answer is A. Heating. What title was given to King Raja Raja Chola I after his conquests? A. Gangayam Kadramum Konda Cholan. B. Daulatabad Sultan. C. Orissa Empire founder. D. Bahmani Sultan. The correct answer is A. Gangayam Kadramum Konda Cholan. What is the process called when a substance turns into a solid from a liquid state? A. Freezing. B. Expansion. C. Heating effect. D. Fermentation. The correct answer is A. Freezing. What was the name of the act passed by the government to abolish the Devdasi practice? A. Widow Protection Act. B. Devdasi Abolition Act. C. Sati Abolition Act. D. Criminal Courts Regulation. The correct answer is B. Devdasi Abolition Act. What is the process called when fetal cells gradually change in structure and function? A. Cytokinesis. B. Mitotic division. C. Zygote formation. D. Cell differentiation. The correct answer is D. Cell differentiation. Who primarily wrote the travelers' accounts mentioned? A. Visiting Arab and Persian scholars. B. African explorers. C. European merchants. D. Chinese monks. The correct answer is A. Visiting Arab and Persian scholars. What does graduated mean in the context of maps? A. Made from a particular material. B. Arranged in a series. C. Designed for specific purposes. D. Colored brightly. The correct answer is B. Arranged in a series. Why is tungsten wire used in the filaments of bulbs? A. It is inexpensive. B. It is very ductile. C. It offers high resistance and heats up quickly. D. It is a good insulator. The correct answer is C. It offers high resistance and heats up quickly. What is the process of ice turning into water called? A. Evaporation. B. Freezing. C. Melting. D. Condensation. The correct answer is C. Melting. Which key combination is used to save a document? A. Control plus X. B. Control plus C. C. Control plus S. D. Control plus P. The correct answer is C. Control plus S. What are shelter belts used for in soil management? A. Planting as a conservation method. B. Providing animal habitats. C. Creating recreational areas. D. Building residential structures. The correct answer is A. Planting as a conservation method. What does the Antheridium produce? A. Egg. B. Zygote. C. Capsule. D. Antherozoid. The correct answer is D. Antherozoid. Which mountain range forms the eastern boundary of the Great Plains? A. Rocky Mountains. B. Sierra Nevada. C. Andes Mountains. D. Appalachian Mountains. The correct answer is D. Appalachian Mountains. Which pamphlet, published on 1st June 1774, called for a day of fasting and prayer? At the Age of Reason. B. Common Sense. C. The American Crisis. D. Rights of man. The correct answer is B. Common sense. What happens to a liquid in a thermometer when it gets heat? A. It changes color. B. It solidifies. C. It contracts. D. It expands. The correct answer is D. It expands. What was a primary characteristic of big cities in terms of their economic function? A. Primarily agricultural hubs. B. Solely residential areas. C. Major commercial and trade centers. D. Specialized military outposts. The correct answer is C. Major commercial and trade centers. What action did students take during the movement? A. They gave up their studies. B. They joined the army. C. They traveled abroad. D. They started new businesses. The correct answer is A. They gave up their studies. What is the percentage of nitrogen in Earth's atmosphere? A. 0.97%. B. 21%. C. 1%. D. 78%. The correct answer is D. 78%. What does the diagram show is released along with carbon dioxide during combustion? A. Water and energy. B. Only energy. C. Water and oxygen. D. Only water. The correct answer is A. Water and energy. What do humans and giraffes have in common regarding their necks? A. The same flexibility. B. The same length of neck. C. The same number of bones. D. The same size of vertebrae. The correct answer is C. The same number of bones. What happens when sand is mixed with water? A. It reacts chemically. B. It does not dissolve. C. It partly dissolves. D. It dissolves completely. The correct answer is B. It does not dissolve. Which type of computer is designed to be easily portable and has a built-in keyboard and screen? A. Mainframe. B. Server. C. Desktop. D. Laptop. The correct answer is D. Laptop. Which court primarily enjoys the power of judicial review in India? A. Magistrate Court. B. District Court. C. High Court. D. Supreme Court. The correct answer is D. Supreme Court. Permanent tissues are classified into which two types? A. Meristematic and epithelial. B. Parenchyma and collenchyma. C. Simple and compound. D. Simple tissue and complex tissue. The correct answer is D. Simple tissue and complex tissue. Who built the Vaikunda Perumal temple? 8. Parmeshwar I. B. Narsinghavarma II. C. Nandivarma II. D. Dantivarman. The correct answer is C. Nandivarma II. Which of the following is most likely to be a road safety rule? A. Ignoring traffic signals. B. Playing loud music while driving. C. Adhering to speed limits. D. Driving without a seat belt. The correct answer is C. Adhering to speed limits. What is the shape of the Atlantic Ocean described as? A. Rectangular. B. Triangular. C. Circular. D. Oval. The correct answer is B. Triangular. What type of news should be avoided by the media? A. Sensational and distorted news. B. Transparent and unbiased news. C. Educational and informative news. D. Developmental and empowering news. The correct answer is A. Sensational and distorted news. What is the mass of kerosene only, as specified in the text? A. 330 g. B. 280 g. C. 200 g. D. 250 g. The correct answer is C. 200 g. How does the intestinal wall's ability to absorb water change in a state of diarrheal disease? A. It absorbs only sodium, not water. B. Its absorption rate remains unchanged. C. It absorbs water more efficiently. D. It is not able to absorb water. The correct answer is D. It is not able to absorb water. How did you score?